This is your IELTS speaking exam where examiner number is 5389 and the candidate number is 6781. What is your full name, please?
My full name is Abdullah Khan. You may call me simply Abdullah.
Abdullah, may I see your ID card?
Yes, here it is.
Where are you from?
Basically, I am from 𝐶𝐤 and currently I am living in Islamabad for study purposes.
Do you work and study?
I have done my FSC. Recently, I have done my FSC from 𝐶𝐤 and now I am preparing IELTS for carry on my studies in abroad.
दाइयों आंसर भी बोला ये दे मोबाइल के सेफ कर रही दोनों
Yes, sir.
दोनों आ रहे हैं
दोनों आ रहे हैं।
ठीक अच्छा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डू यू ऑफन स्टे अप लेट मींस डू यू ऑफन स्लीप लेट
Yes, I am kind of person who prefer to sleep at time because when you sleep at time it helps to early up morning and your health because sleeping late has major effects on your health issue. So
Right.
I prefer to sleep.
Do you stay up late when you were a kid? Did you?
Kindly you paraphrase.
Did you stay up late when you were a kid?
No, I am as far as my childhood is concerned, I am not a kind of person who stay up late. So in my childhood, I didn't stay up late.
Right. Okay. What do you do when you stay up late?
I do nothing because as far as the major activities I have done is nothing. I just free.
What do you do? What does it feel like the next morning if you stay up late?
It feel like very heavy and very like ill. I feel very like tired when I wake up in the early morning.
Right. Moving to a discussion cue card. Here you have to prepare the topic for a minute and then you talk on the topic for 2 minutes. Question is describe a tourist attraction. Describe a tourist attraction that very few people visit but you think it is very interesting. What the place is, what people can see there, why only very few people visit there, explain why you think it is interesting. You can start.
This is very interesting question for me. As far as I am kind of person who prefer to tourism and a place I visit was a Mushkpuri. I went with my friends and there was no many rush and no many people visits there, and when I ask about this question, the locals they say that it is very cold, like it always covered with snow, and it is very far from other cities like Islamabad, Lahore, and many people do not visit such as far places, but this is very interesting place because it always covered with snow, and when we hike about 2 kilometers we saw all our snow. Nothing is like accessible for us, so it is very interesting place for us, but no people like to go there.
Okay. Moving towards discussion part. Why do people visit to tourist attractions?
People visit tourist attraction for many reasons. Whenever they work all the week, they feel tired. So at the weekend, they want to enjoy themselves. So they went to many tourist attractions places.
Moving towards next question. The question is, what makes a tourist attraction famous?
There are many kinds like which makes tourist attraction famous. There are like transports and other foods availability and other also kind of things that make it famous.
Do you think tourism causes environmental damage?
Yes, I think tourism causes environment damage because when many people visit there, they throw garbage in street and it causes like pollution.
Right. Should all tourist attractions be free to the public?
Yes, I think so that all tourist attraction should be free for the people. Many people didn't enjoy because they have not enough money for this purpose. So it must be free for many people to enjoy.
Right. Your current score, because of grammar issues, grammar is the main concern. Your idea was good comparatively to all questions, but grammar was having major issues. Like I was writing each point. You said I'm a kind of person who prefers. For one person, you're talking about himself, a kind of person own self, so prefers. And did you stay up late when you were a child? You said I am a kind of person when I'm a child, from my child. So you should have said I was not a kind of person, or I was not, I was past time. And further you said it feel, we should say it feels. There, next cue card question, you said there was not no many rush. For rush is uncountable word. We use with many with countable and much with uncountable. So you should have said not much rush, not much rush. Okay, so these were a lot of kind of like grammatical mistakes, because of which you got 5 band, right? Further, your ideas are good, fluency is not bad, work a little bit you have to do for so far, but the main focus you should give to grammatical mistakes. And the suggestion of and solution is for that when you record any answer, try to watch that again and try to observe where you have made mistakes, right? Inshallah it will improve.